Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of D-I-Wyatt. Cue the intro. So before we get started, make sure to like down below and subscribe. It really helps me out. Hit that notification bell so you can see more of my videos when they come out. Without further ado, let's get to it. Today we're making a lightsaber. So for the lightsaber, I've already got some pieces that you're going to need. You're going to need, number one, PVC pipe. I chose mine to be about this big. I got this is a 3/4 inch. And this is a regular inch. I just sawed it in half about this big. And then, so that's gonna be the hilt of the lightsaber. Then you're gonna need a flashlight. I got this at the dollar store. It's just a tiny but strong little flashlight. Nothing too bad. And that's gonna be our light for the lightsaber. So next for the blade. It took me a lot to figure out what we're gonna do for this, but eventually I found out. I got this this blade at ultrasabers.com. They make custom lightsabers, so I just took the blade. This costs about 25 bucks. And so, yeah, this will illuminate. So when you put the flashlight in, it'll illuminate like that. Also, we're going to need some lighting gel. Now, lighting gel is to decide which color you want. So, right now, if we don't put any lighting gel in, it's going to be white. But when we put the lighting gel in, whatever color we want, it'll taint the light and turn that color. And that'll make the color of your lightsaber. So without further ado, let's get to it. I'm going to explain just a little bit more about what we're going to do. So this is going to be the basic layout of the lightsaber. So first of all, you've got the hilt right here. Then we're going to add on, by super gluing and paper mache, we're going to add on the flashlight here. And then we're going to add on the final blade here. And then we'll decorate it, paper mache around here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Spray paint it, all that. So let's start working on the hilt. For the hilt, we're going to need a lot of paper mache. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to super glue this in there, and then we're going to put a lot of paper mache on, because as you can see, it's very, very like rugged. There's a lot of texture to it that we want to hide. We're going to make it look like it's a whole continuous PVC pipe and not a flashlight tied to the end to it. So we're going to use that with paper mache. Now paper mache is really easy. I've done it in a lot of my videos, probably 4 now, and it's just 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of water, a little bit of salt, and you just lay it all on there. The salt is very important actually, to make sure that it doesn't get moldy. And yeah, we're just gonna lay it all on there, really, really glue it tight until you probably know when it's good enough, when you can shake this and it won't come off. And yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I'm not going into much detail about how I paper mache'd this, but I just super glued it on there with some super glue, obviously, and then I taped it around a little bit for some extra support, and then I just laid it on there, paper mache. Now, some videos that I paper mache'd in are my Boba Fett, my Taskmaster, and my my recent video, Commander Fox helmet, and I think that's actually kind of it. But I think the first video I did it in was the Boba Fett, or either the Taskmaster, I don't know. Check that out, check it out. Here it is right now, all super glued and nice, pretty tight on there. And now we're just gonna paper mache. Oh yeah, as you can see in that last clip, there's also a little a little piece of string tied to the end of that, but I don't want that on my lightsaber, so I just took a pair of pliers and just cut it off. And now we're working on the thing. There are also ways to increase the drying process, such as fans, and I think there's even one way where you put it in the oven. Okay guys, so while that's drying, we are now going to spray paint some stuff. Now what we could do is you could add the detail pieces on later, cut them out, see what you need, and then spray paint them. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray paint a whole piece of cardboard, the colors that I want, and then I'm going to cut them out and glue them on. It'll just save time. I'm trying to get this done under 1 day because I just want it to be done with. I've been waiting for it for like a few weeks now. And yeah. Let's do that right now. Okay guys, just a quick side note, another alternative for using cardboard is using 2mm craft foam. It would make it a nice grip. It would be much softer on your hand. But since this is a one-day build, I'm only going to use cardboard because with craft foam, it takes a little bit like 2 coats to sink into it, and then it'll be good. So I'm just going to use cardboard. It's only 1 coat. It'll be quick. And then all the details, once it's dry, then we're going to sand it all down, make it nice and smooth, add details made of gold, and then we're going to glue on the lightsaber, and we're going to add our color. And that should be it. See you guys when it's done. Okay guys, we got some very bad news. So, when the paper mache was pretty much almost dry, I was touching it and moving it around, seeing if it would work for what we're planning, and it just totally snapped in half. Like, the PVC pipe and the lights and the flashlight just split. So I had to super glue it again, and instead of paper macheing it, I then decided to just wrap it in tape, and then we're going to spray paint this. We're going to spray paint this silver, or whatever color you want. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that when you put the flashlight on, it's going to make the PVC pipe kind of yellow. So what you guys got to do is you got to kind of wrap it in lots of layers, so you won't see that yellow coming through, and it'll be like a piece of metal where light doesn't shine through. So yeah, we're gonna spray paint this silver right now. Let's get to it, and I'll see you when I'm done. So guys, this video is now done. It looks very, very nice. I'm liking it. The light is in there nice. I only wish it would be a little bit brighter, but other than that, it's really nice. I'll turn the light on now and I can show you what I've done a little bit more. And yeah. So I spray painted the hilt silver, then I just added some gold accents to it. I super glued the blade to the hilt by using some super glue and some tape, and I hid that with this nice gold ring. The button for the flashlight is back here. So when you press that, it goes on and off. Now, I was going to do a different color, like green. I was originally planning on doing yellow, but then I realized I kind of like it white, like a Ahsoka Tano's lightsaber, and that's what I did. And so, yeah. So if you guys like this video, make sure to like down below and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. And see you guys later.